Good morning on Friday the 23rd of September. And here, Bitcoin update. Let's first see what we did yesterday. Yesterday I was looking for a move down. Based on my Ether chart, Bitcoin did hit my red box also perfectly, shown on Twitter, and came down, but moved higher. I was looking for one more move lower. I said it yesterday in my update. I said we might see one more leg down from here somewhere, take out these lows, and then probably go up again. Hence, I went short here. It didn't play out, so we got out at break even, and yeah, right now I'm looking what to do here. Bitcoin is in a range. Basically, this is the old range high, and we got rejected, lower high, coming down, and this is more or less the range I'm looking now for to see if we do get a stop out, a stop hunt, and then maybe up again. But what bothers me more is not really the dollar, well, of course also the dollar, but the price action in the stock market. And you can see here on the daily S&P 500 constantly making new lows, and Bitcoin is somewhere over here, if I'm correct. Yeah, more or less like this. And I'm a bit worried when the correlation with the stock market ends on Friday night when the stocks close, that the low order books, low volume, or the thin order books over the weekend might give us some trouble in Bitcoin paradise, and that Bitcoin starts catching up with the stock market. On the other hand, this afternoon there is a speech from Powell. If that is a bit more positive, then we might see a bounce in stocks, and then Bitcoin could move or continue going up again. But if nothing serious happens over the weekend, in that speech, then I'm a bit worried for the weekend. For me, a reason to be on the sidelines. I'm not in a position for trading, and I'm just waiting to see what happens. For here, I would say I will be looking for a move like this. If that happens, then I would look for a long. If we break out from here, I first want to see that level 19,500 being reclaimed, and we now do have a rejection. I'm still not really convinced or impressed by that bounce. I can show you in this chart where white is spot buying, and you can see this whole bounce, I mentioned it yesterday also, is mostly driven by perps traders, and so white is spot buyers. Traders, they are lagging, and I first want to see some strength coming back here before I really turn bullish. And yeah, that being said, let's see what happens with Powell's speech. Otherwise, I'll wait to see a break to one of the sides in this range, where I also said that I'm not really impressed with the current bounce. That's it. I would say have a nice weekend. Don't care too much about the charts. They will be there also on Monday, and wish you all a nice weekend.